Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to register a DBA or business name using the SBA website as a guide. So a DBA means doing business as. This is the name of your business uses if you want to operate under a name different from your legal name. So first, go to the SBA website and search for register your business. And on this page, look for the section about registering a business name. The SBA explains that DBA registration usually depends on your state, county, or city. Next, check if the business name you want is available through your state or local business website. If the name is available, follow the instructions, fill out the DBA form, enter your business details, and pay the filing fee if required. After submitting, wait for approval and save a copy of your registration. You may need it for business records, licenses, or opening a business bank account. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.